Starting strong, mastering the basics.
Before moving to intermediate exercises, it's important to build a solid foundation. Focus on perfecting basic moves like push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks. Practice good form, controlled movements, and full range of motion. Aim to consistently perform multiple sets of each exercise with proper technique before progressing. Building this foundation helps prevent injuries and sets you up for successful advancement.
Building consistency and volume.
To progress, increase the total number of repetitions and sets in your sessions. For example, work up to 3 sets of 15 to 20 push-ups or squats with good form. Train regularly, 2 to 3 times a week for each movement pattern, and allow muscles time to recover between sessions. This consistency will develop endurance and prepare your body for more challenging variations.
Introducing progressive overload.
Progress requires challenging your muscles beyond what they're used to. Start by slowing down your repetitions, adding pauses at the bottom of each move, or increasing total sets. As these become manageable, try harder variations, like decline push-ups, Bulgarian split squats, or diamond push-ups. Gradually shifting to more demanding exercises helps you progress safely and effectively.
Mastering intermediate variations.
Once you're comfortable and consistent with basic exercises, introduce intermediate level moves. Examples include archer push-ups, pistol squat progressions, and plank variations like side planks. Break these movements into smaller steps if needed. Focus on control and range of motion rather than speed or quantity to promote steady improvements and minimize injury risks.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Keep a workout journal to track your repetitions, sets, and any new variations you attempt. Set short and long-term goals, such as completing a certain intermediate move or increasing reps. Celebrate small milestones. Remember, progress takes time and consistency, so be patient with your journey and enjoy each improvement along the way.